In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically enter reference numbers, let it be for invoices, goods received note, or anything else, automatically without wasting time to enter them, and they should be serially in a sequence. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate, and I already have done it here. If I enter any of these details, you see that these two columns B and C are automatically updated. If I delete anything, they're also deleted. So this way you can save time. Don't waste time on things that are obvious. What you can automate, you automate so that you don't waste time on it. So that's what we're gonna look at today. To do this, I have a sheet here, and I want to enter my details in column C, like so. So to get the numbers here, one formula I can think of is the row formula. This one here, this one returns the row of that cell. So the row of this cell is 2. So let me center this here. Now what I want in this row is not 2, but 1. So what I'll do is I'll go and say -1 so that I get a 1. Now when I pull it down, you see it gives me a 2, though there's nothing here. So what I want is that if there is nothing in column C, one should also be empty. So to achieve that, I need to wrap this and close it in an if function, and I'm going to say if C2, the next column, is empty, return empty, and if it is not, then return the number of the row. So when I do that and I copy this down, you can see that for empty rows, it does not return anything, like so. If I entered anything in column C, it returns that. Now that is all good and fine. Now the next thing I want to do, I want here to have invoice -001, like so. Then the next one will be invoice -002. So to accomplish that, I'm going to use n%. I say invoice -00 -000, then quotes n%1. So when I do that, you can see I get invoice 001. I'll copy my formula down. Now here where I have nothing, it still gives me this. Since I don't want this, I'm going to enclose it in another if function. And let me do it for the first one here. So I say if column C, column B2 is empty, return empty, comma, if not, return what is already typed there. And when I copy this down, you'll see that it now returns an empty space. So whatever I type here, automatically my two columns will be updated, like so. And this is a faster way of data input. So in case you don't want these and you decide to delete them, they'll also be deleted from this column A and B, because column A and B depends on something being entered in columns. So this is one way to automate completion of reference numbers in a sequence. Hope this has been helpful. If so, please like the video, share, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Have a great day.